Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV. Got another video for you today on another 2025. This is a Forest River Grey Wolf 26 LK. We're gonna take you around the outside, get you on the inside, show you some features. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So up front, much like all of our videos, we do have a spot for the battery, and you do have your two 20-pound propane tanks. Battery is installed and propane is filled at the time of purchase. HC15 chassis, which I'll cover on once we get on the inside with one of the quality build sheets. Moving on around, and take a step back here so we can see with the slide open. You just got the one slide on this unit. Hot water heater here, fresh and city water connection here, and we'll have our quick drop stabilizer jacks. GoPro can pick it up. We got our enclosed underbelly, dual axle on this unit as well, cable hookup, nice Cherokee Grey Wolf logo. Here's our drains here, and then 30 amp service right up above that. Gray and black tank flush. Outdoor shower. Getting a shot of the back here. So you'll see up above, Lippert ladder attachment, and you do have your backup camera from the factory. Spare tire on the back, as well as a little rack here for storing your coolers. Here's the other side here before we get inside. And a nice large power awning with a light strip below that. Leash latch for the pets. Solid steps to get in. Nice large grab handle, again 26 LK. Spot for a TV, more cable hookups. Bluetooth speaker on the outside, furnace right below that. And then you do have a little outdoor kitchen area here, so leash latch is pretty close to this area, so you can, shower off the dog. You have your ice maker here, mini fridge, and then we do have our Greystone right here. So it's compact, but it's actually really nice to work with, so you don't have to go in and out of the camper so many times. Taking a look at the pass-through storage, quite a bit to work with. You do have solar on this, so you have a 30 amp solar controller. There's our power cord, and then the storage actually runs through to where the bed is, so you can store from inside or outside. And then since it's right in front of me here, I touched on the HC15 chassis, so feel free to pause. The sun might be in my way here to get a little bit more information. Perfect. Moving on into the inside. So here's the dry weight here. Stats will pop up at the beginning of the video, but the dry weight is 5892. There's our fire extinguisher there. I'm going to start off to the left, and you'll see a little pantry area here for your canned goods. Maybe a little spot for shoes down below. And then the bathroom on this one is actually in the back, so I'm going to start over into the bathroom, and you'll see with the bathroom door closed, I actually got quite a bit of room to work with. So nice large shower with our skylight up above. There's our toilet, our fan up above that, and then I can fully turn around without having to bonk into any walls or anything like that. Lots of room on the bathroom sink, spot for our towels down below, little bit of storage in there. GFCI outlets, as well as our water heater and bathroom lights. Nice spot in here for, toothpaste, makeup, whatever you need. Nice mirror as well. Coming on out of the bathroom, getting a full look at the rest of the camper here. Moving on. So here's our slide right up above. We got our Bluetooth speakers, but Bluetooth speakers on the outside. Speakers on the inside, it's that driven sound system, so enhanced sound quality. AC up above my head, as well as lots of touch lights that come through here as well. I must not have the switch on right now, but you get the idea. There's our control panel for our water heater, heated tanks, slide in, awning, tanks, everything that you need up there for info. This sofa does jackknife, so it does come out into another sleeping area. Large U-shaped dinette that also converts down into a bed. Plenty of storage below the dinette. Getting a look at the kitchen. Little garbage can there. Little cutting board, little drying rack for the dishes. Large stainless steel sink, or I'm sorry, just large sink. I didn't mean to say stainless steel. Little cup wash right here that you see at some of the bars. Lots of storage running across the kitchen, and all of this is one piece. So it goes all the way to the end. Some more quality construction here. We'll get a little bit more info. Hopefully the GoPro can pick this up here if you just want a little bit more knowledge and information. Three-burner gas cooktop. And then below that we have our convection microwave with air fry capability. We actually do have an electric fireplace on this unit as well, and some more counter space above that and storage beneath that. And then off to the right you have your stereo system for your driven. Moving on into the bedroom. I'm sorry, I didn't even show the fridge and freezer. "12-volt fridge. We got our freezer down below that. Moving on into the bedroom. Starting off with our queen 60 by 80 bed. Some storage cubes below that. Lots of storage under the bed. There's some more storage cubes there. And just like I was saying from the outside, I can store from down here going all the way into the pass-through storage if it's a rainy day and I don't want to get soaking wet. Exit window right here. Lots of natural light coming through. Spot for our TV and the hookups up above. Power outlets on both sides, or device charging outlets on both sides. Large amount of storage for clothes. Coming around to the other side. There's another outlet there. More spot for clothes. And some more storage up above. So turning around and leaving the bedroom, getting one final look at this unit here. Pretty nice for a couple or a family if you're utilizing the dinette and the jackknife sofa. Lots of room to walk around. So So just want to get out another video for everyone today. This one just came in. Again, my name's Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. All of my information is going to be in the description box below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to set up an appointment with me, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help answer any questions. Thanks everybody for watching. Again, make sure to smash that subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next one.